Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel. Mimi's Makeup. In this video I'm gonna show you how to remove the false nails from your natural nails in a really nice and beautiful way. As you can see, this one was removed by its own, so this when I know that I need to remove my false nails to add another set or to do go with my natural nails. But anyway, I'm going to show you how to remove it. And as you can see, this one have a beautiful gap in between the false nails and my natural nail. I'm going to zoom in a little bit and adjust the lighting so we can see in a nice way because it was a little bit far away. So here we go. So as you can see, those are my beautiful set, and here's a little gap. Can you see this? This is when I have multiple gaps. When I have multiple gaps, I know that I need to remove my false nails, or when I have one of my nails just pop up and gone by its own, I know I need to remove them. As you can see, I have a nice growth of my nails. It was about 2 to 3 weeks having this set on my natural nails, so I guess it's time to change them, remove them, change them to another set, or go naturally. But anyway, I'm gonna show you what we're gonna do in this video in details to remove them, and in the same time save your nails, don't damage your nails. So as you can see, this one was a little bit hard to remove. It's just really hard because I have a lot of glitter on it. As you can see, I have a small bowl with kind of a hot water and a little bit of olive oil on it. The water should be as hot as you can stand. The more the hot the water, the more the hotter the water, the more it's more effective. So usually I use my thumbs to remove my nails, but as I have one removed, I don't want to use my natural nail, so I'm gonna use my index to remove my left nails. So as you can see, this is what I usually do. Before putting my hands or my fingers in the hot water or the warm water, I'm trying to find gaps or create a small gaps between my nails and the false nails before doing this, because this really helps to make the water and the oil go inside between my nails and the false nails and begin to dissolve the super glue or the glue that I use for my nails. As you can see, I made a nice gap here, and that's what I usually do before going to jump into the hot water or the warm water. And as you can see, these nails just really stick on the tip of my nails, so I don't force it. I just try my best to not hurt my natural nails, just go in the gaps that I found. Try to make one, but without forcing. Don't force it or you're gonna damage your natural nail. Just be gentle and just take your time doing this. And this one was a little bit hard to remove. You're gonna see at the end it was so hard to remove, but at the end it was removed and it was nice. But it takes so much time to remove. It's really sticking. As you can see, I can find a gap to make, and here I'm using my index to remove this nail. I'm trying my best not to use my natural nail here. I'm trying to find a small gap, but I'm trying my best not to use my natural nail so it's not damaged. So here we go. I'm trying to find a small gap here, it's like a searching process, but don't force it or you're gonna damage your nail. As you can see, this one has a really nice gap here, so it will be so easy to be removed. Actually, that's really nice. Okay, but still stick on the tip of the nail, so I'm not gonna force it. I'm gonna leave it. With the warm water and the oil will really help to dissolve the glue and make it so easy to be removed. And here I'm trying to find a gap as well, and that's what I'm basically gonna do, just finding gaps before putting my nails in the water, and then find the gaps or trying to remove after the water. So this one is really hard to make a gap here. The glue was super strong. Actually, it was so good, so that's why it takes quite some time. Just take your time, like enjoy the process, listen to music or listen to anything that you want. As you can see, this one was removed really nicely, and the white patches on my nails, it's not a damaged nail, it's just from the glue itself. But it's gonna dissolve and like removed afterwards. So yeah, this is very nice. But don't press your nails, try to remove the false nails like downwards or trying to take it upwards, because this will really hurt your natural nails. Just go between the false nails and your natural nails from the cuticle area, going upwards to the tip of your nail as much as you can, but without any force. This is the safest and the best way to remove false nails. And now I'm gonna leave my hands or my fingers in the warm water for about like 5 minutes before trying to do the same process afterwards. Sometimes I just add another 5 minutes if it's really hard, but just go back and forth between the water and removing it. So but before doing this, I'm gonna wait for 5 minutes and then begin the same process again. As you can see, become a little bit softer my nails, and the false nails become softer, and the water and the oil have to dissolve the glue in between. So I'm gonna do the same process. As you can see, this one is like almost done, and I'm not using any force. Looks like I'm using force, but I'm not. I'm just like trying my best to find my way, and here we go. It's removed in a very beautiful way. Doing it again, and yeah, so I'm gonna speed up the video a little bit, and I'm gonna leave you to like watch the rest of it, because there is nothing to explain. I just already said everything. I'm doing the same process, and as you can see, it's so pretty. So I'm gonna leave you now, enjoy the rest of the video, and I'm gonna come back at the end. So here we go, I removed all the nails, and this one was a little bit hard to be removed, but I did it and it was a success. And actually this finger like was broken during the process, but that's normal. Anyway, I was about to cut like all my nails to add another set, and this one was broken before doing my adding my false nails. And as you can see, my fingers or my nails look so beautiful, like looks healthy kind of a way. So I'm gonna come back when I add another set, which is this beautiful set. Will be another video. I'm gonna be later on my channel, so stay tuned for it. And as you can see, my nails and my cuticle around nails look so healthy and look so beautiful, look so soft. So this video will be up soon, stay tuned for it. And as usual, don't forget to comment, like, and subscribe, and share the video with your friends if you like it. Don't forget to follow me on Instagram and Facebook. These things will be description box down below, and I love you so much. Bye!